What's up, YouTube? This is Martha Jones coming to you straight from the big city of Mullins, South Carolina. Uh, Today I'm going to sing this song to you. It's a song I wrote called Pick God Every Time, and if you like it, please don't hesitate to let me know. To God be the glory with everything, and so I hope it bless you. So here we go. Don't make me choose between God and you. You'll always lose. I'll pick God every time. Don't make me choose between God and you. You'll always lose. I'll pick God every time. You'll never love me the way that He does, and you'll never express to me the way He shows His love, and you'll never know me past the walls that I build, and you'll never understand the depth of hurts that I feel. Don't make me choose between God and you. You'll always lose. I'll pick God every time. And there's some more to it, but of course I'm not going to put the whole song on YouTube. So just let me know what you think. Take care.